Welcome back to Get Healthy with Dr. Cooper. In my studio today, I have something sweet for you. And if you're parents, pay special attention. And if you're young children, listen carefully, because the incidence of diabetes and obesity is on the rise. Why? Because of our diet. So today, I'm going to be showing you the amount of sugar you're consuming in your liquids. Let's start with soda. A soda bottle this size has 58 grams of sugar, which amounts to about 13 cubes of sugar. That is a lot. And if you were to do 2 of this per day, then you're having, double the amount of sugar you're looking at right now. This is dangerous. It gives diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, cancer, obesity. So we need to stay away from that. What about this? You might have this in your pantry right now, this juice. This has 30 grams of sugar. That amounts to that amount of cubes of sugar in just 1 glass. So you have to be very careful with these concentrated juices. This small bottle here, it has 28 grams of sugar. That amounts to about 8 cubes, 7-8 cubes of sugar. This also is dangerous for your health. So what should you drink then? Well, the best thing to drink is water. But before we go there, you might say, I can't have water every day. What else can I drink? So we have some natural water for you. This is coconut water. This has 15 grams of sugar. That amounts to about 4 teaspoons or 4 cubes of sugar. So this is okay to drink, but actually water is the best for your health. So let's review again. 58 grams, 13 cubes of sugar, 30 grams, lots of sugar, 28 grams, 7 teaspoons of sugar, and 15 grams, 4 teaspoons of sugar. If you want to stay healthy, then choose healthy alternative, water, infused water, or just pure water. You know, I like to put lemon in my water to change the flavor, and that is so refreshing and delicious. So do not drink your calories, eat your calories. And if you want to stay healthy, then throw these away and choose healthy alternative. I will see you again next time, same place. And if you want to learn to live a healthy lifestyle, then go to my website, gethealthywithdrcooper.com or cooperwellnesscenter.tv. I'll see you again in another episode.